Here we have another fan repair to do, and this time we're doing the same thing again, but in black. It's like before. This thing has a damaged blade, and we will be replacing the blade, exchanging it, and then also we're gonna also do parts replacement too. So, like before, I did this with the white one, but now it's time to do this with the black one, of course. So, I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. It's working. The motor is working. It's just that the fan blades are not spinning. They do sometimes spin, but they will make a vibration noise and not work properly. Okay, we're plugged in now, and we're rolling. So as you can tell, it's not spinning. It's spinning a little bit, but as you can tell now, that is not what you want. When somehow, if it is on the shaft though, I'm gonna do this again. It shakes, as you can see. I don't know if you can see, but if you can see that sort of pulsing effect there, that's the fan shaking. It vibrates as well, but yeah, that's speed setting 3, setting 2, setting 1. And on setting 3, it will spin itself around like a fan with a rotating guard. But we don't want that to happen, which is why we are replacing the blade today. And it also has a nice coast down for some reason. So basically what you just saw there was not supposed to happen regularly with the fan. So basically we are going to be replacing this fan blade with a new one. So so always make sure to unplug your product before taking it apart. I know sometimes I forget to do this, but yeah, it's whatever. And then of course, this right here is the thing that screws the rear guard in place, and it's black. But right now, the one that I'm using right now is white. You can see in there, but that's not the original color. That one's white, and we need a black one. And then it was also missing this piece. This is the piece that screws the blade in place. So let's do the first step now. The first step is to open this fan so we can get inside and move the blades. So we're gonna go ahead and take the front cover off, and also be careful not to hurt yourself while you're doing this. It does have sharp edges. So there's the front grille. Put this aside. And now, with the front grille off, I'm going to go ahead and run it one more time. This is the second time I'm running it. Okay. And it moves a lot more. It moves a lot more freely like this. Now the bearings are stiff, but I'm not gonna oil it. The blades are working fine now. Now this blade is transparent, and we do not want that. We need the blade to be dark and and this blade is warped like before. So, yeah. Before I get rid of this blade, though, I'm gonna run it one more time without the kickers. And this right here is the white guard ring, which we don't need. This belongs to the white version. So we'll go ahead and scrap this. And the rear grille. Put this aside. The blade has fallen off, so all right. Let's go and test it. Starting out with speed 3. Now it's making the entire table vibrate. Probably the camera is also shaking as well. That's speed 2. And speed 1. Blowing air though. So this blade is a little chewed up and it's kind of dusty and it's transparent as well, so we want the darker blade. Throw this away. So as you can see, now we have a replacement blade here. This blade is much darker. Real quick before I put it on, this is what the problem was at the beginning. The blades were not in line with these two notches here on the shaft, which need to line up with the two slots in the middle of the fan blade, where the shaft slides through. This one's also kind of dusty, but it's in much better condition. Now we're going to turn this on, starting out with speed 1. There's speed 2, speed 3. So as you can tell, that was much better than the last blade. Now we gotta put the fan back together. So like before, this thing right here was white, and we don't want that. We need the black one. I threw the blade by accident. We're gonna test it just to make sure it works properly. Okay. Put on the front cage, which is the last step. And that's basically how you exchange a fan blade. This is not a hard process to do. It does also save time, and it only takes a couple of minutes to do. Now, that's basically how you would change a fan blade. So, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next fan video. Peace.